So here's how a Temu new user coupon code works. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. So as you can see, we're now in the Temu homepage. From here, go to the top panel and click on your profile. Here, click on Coupons and Offers. Now, go to the Unused section to view your unused coupons. You can also enter a new coupon code over here. Type in the code if you already know it. Here, you can just put in ACR697477 in order to get 30% discount. Then, click on Apply beside it. As you can see, this coupon can only be redeemed and used in the Temu app and not from the browser. You will now need to download the Temu application and use your coupon code from there. And that's it. That is exactly how Temu new user coupon code works.